Hello, my name is Sammy Piroska, and I worked with the Office of Residence Life at Bowling Green State University. The Office of Residence Life is one of the larger offices on Bowling Green State University's campus. They are currently located in the Math Science Building on the 4th floor in Office 470. Their mission is, the Office of Residence Life promotes an engaging, safe, and inclusive environment for academic success and personal growth through student-centered programs, innovative services, and cost-effective facilities. The visual communication problem for the 2018-2019 academic year is the Office of Residence Life knows the different marketing pieces they want to utilize, but they are unsure how to go about designing the marketing pieces. They do not have an idea for the different marketing pieces, and they do not have a person to lay out the different marketing pieces. The desired conditions are as follows. Have a marketing campaign that appeals to the diverse student population. Have a variety of social media designs that stands out throughout the different platforms. These platforms include Instagram and Facebook. Utilize the student recruitment squad for completion of the different pieces. The goals are listed below. Give the Office of Residence Life an effective marketing campaign. Provide more students with the information to attend different information sessions and events. Third, gain a stronger understanding how a department/office creates and executes a marketing campaign. And finally, meet with the client as needed to effectively complete the marketing pieces. The objectives are also listed below. Design multiple variations of each marketing piece to highlight the different positions the Office of Residence Life offers. Have rough drafts of the upcoming pieces printed and ready for biweekly client meetings. Third, develop print and social media pieces that reflects the mission of the office through the new theme. And finally, use minimal text on the social media posts to present the primary information. Overall solution and process. Each piece started with sketches and several mock-up variations. During one-on-one meetings, Claire Seymour, who is my supervisor, provided me with edits and chose her favorite layout of each piece. From there, I then completed the edits and emailed the final pieces back to Seymour for her approval. Once I had received her approval, we started the next marketing piece. Here on the screen, you see the initial sketches that were laid out for Seymour as we discussed the upcoming pieces that were needed to be designed. On the screen, you see the information session portion of the marketing campaign. On the left, you have 6 variations of the social media rotation. Each position is presented here as we rotated them to increase the number of potential applicants. On the right, you see the We're Hiring information flyer that was posted around campus and in the residence hall to increase the number of potential applicants and have more people attending the information sessions. Next, you see the Smart Mentor event. This flyer was handed out to different individuals who would have been a good fit to be a Smart Mentor for the 2019-2020 academic year. This lays out what is occurring at the Apps and Wraps event for the Smart Mentors. Next, we have the campaign solution and process. This is for the main portion of the marketing campaign. To start, Claire Seymour presented me with what she wanted for the main part of the campaign. From there, I met with the student recruitment squad to gather a group of volunteers for the individuals who are present in the different variations. Once I had the variations laid out, I then presented them to Seymour to get her feedback. Once Seymour and I completed the edits and we finalized the different pieces, they were then posted online and throughout the campus buildings. Here you see the initial sketches I have of the marketing pieces we used for the main campaign. This includes the social media SketchUps as well as the flyers. Here you see on the screen are the different social media pieces. This has 4 variations due to the lack of volunteers we had to complete the campaign. This includes an academic peer mentor, a resident advisor, a Greek community assistant, as well as a desk clerk. Below you also see the same variations just for a flyer portion. These were hung up around campus within the res halls and the union to increase the number of applicants. Once going over everything I have done with the Office of Residence Life, there are several lessons I have learned. Time management is key. Getting more feedback is important. Understanding your client is important. Having a more defined timeline is key to being successful, and try every possibility. The time management as well as the timeline go hand in hand, and this is the first academic year where the Office of Residence Life is using their entire interview and application process within 1 semester compared to the semester and a half. I appreciate you taking your time to learn about my experience with the Office of Residence Life. Thank you.